As a Chinese manufacturer, we proudly introduce our automotive gasket tape, designed for sealing and insulation in automotive and industrial applications. This high-quality tape is made from durable materials that offer excellent resistance to heat, moisture, and chemicals. IT ensures a tight, long-lasting seal. When using this product, make sure the surface is clean and dry for best adhesion. It is available in lengths from 1 to 10 meters, width from 10 millimeters to 50 millimeters, and thicknesses from 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters.